All right, friends, welcome back. We're talking today about Lesson 72, Saxon Algebra 1, 3rd edition. That's that orange book. Lesson 72A, so this is just the first part of the lesson. We're talking about factors that are sums. All right, let's take a look at this first example. What might help is actually if we rewrite this. See, we've got 3 chunks here. We've got like this chunk, and this chunk. If I rewrite this so that I get x squared a plus b minus x times a plus b minus 6 times a plus b. Well, all this is distribution. What we've done is we have taken this right here, x squared minus x minus 6, and all of those have been multiplied by a times b. See, we took this and we multiplied it by a plus b, not a times b, I'm sorry. Then we did this times a plus b, then we did this times a plus b. So this is reverse distribution here. Now we've got to factor that. And so, you know, let me just give you, just in case you're not seeing that, let's just do a practice with that. So here I have this guy right there, x squared minus x minus 6 times a plus b. So all we're doing is saying, hey, take this guy and multiply it by this. So x squared times a plus b. Then take this minus x times a plus b. And then we do this guy minus 6 times all that same garbage, a plus b. And then what we would do is distribute it to each one of these and then combine our like terms. So it's just a version of distribution. If you can see it that way, I think that makes it a little easier. Okay, we're factoring this completely, which means we need to factor this bit right here. So a plus b is fine. This is going to be x. This tells me different signs, so positive and negative. Factors of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. I need a positive and a negative that gives me negative 1. So if I do positive 2, negative 3, that'll give me negative 1. And so there is my answer. All right, so factor this guy right here. Again, you can see it's kind of a little bit out of order here because we've got these 3 chunks. So all we have to do for this guy is this x squared. We're going to move it to the front. All right, so now what we have is x squared, that's this guy, plus 9x plus 20, all of that is multiplied by x plus y. Now this only works, as a friendly reminder, this only works if all of your chunks are the same. X plus y, x plus y, x plus y. Over here, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. Those are all the same right along there. So otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, so back down to here, we have to factor completely. So we can do this. We say boom, 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 x plus y. And then over here, x. This tells me same signs. This tells me positive, positive. 1 and 20, 2 and 10. Not 3, but 4 and 5. I need a positive, positive that add up to 9. So if I do 4 and 5, that'll add up to 9. So here it is completely factored. Okay, let's look at this next one. Same idea. If I take this x squared here, boom, let's boot it to the front, x squared. So I have this, including the sign, that's important, and this. So we have x squared m plus 7mx plus 10m. All of that is, and because these x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, this works. Okay, looking at this trinomial here, we have a common factor of m. So I'm going to take an m out. That leaves me with x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now, am I done factoring? Absolutely not. We want to take a look at this. So let's bring everything else down around it. We have x, and then this is x minus 1. This tells me same signs. This tells me positive, positive. Factors of 10, 1 and 10, 2 and 5. I need a positive, positive that gives me 7. So positive 2, positive 5. And there we go. Okay, let's try these practice problems. So here are the practice problems from the book. Sorry about that. That's supposed to be a parenthesis. I don't know why it looks like that. So pause video, do these, and then come on back and let's see how you do. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 15, all of that times a plus b. This guy is going to be like this, x, and then a plus b. Sorry, my handwriting's getting a little sloppy there. This tells me same signs. This tells me positive, positive. 15 is 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. I need a positive, positive that adds up to 8. So 3 and 5. And there we go. There is our factor. All right, this one, let's try this guy. We have x squared c minus 2xc minus 24c. All of that times m minus b, and it only works because each of these things are exactly the same. In here we have a c that we can get rid of, so we get x squared minus 2x minus 24, m minus b. Okay, so c, and then we've got this x. This tells me different sign, so I don't care about that. Plus minus. Oh, and then we've got the n minus b here. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Okay, I need a positive and a negative that gives me -2. Well, if I do +4 and -6, that should give me -2. So +4, -6, and there you go. So that's the first part of lesson 72. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, let me know down below. Otherwise, great work, and we'll see you next time.